Okay, everyone, welcome to the Spring Security Masterclass course. And I'd like to introduce this class to you. This course is going to cover the Spring Security module. Introduction to this course is going to be section 1, and we'll talk about a little bit of the details about this course. In section 2, we start talking about security in general to make sure we have the correct terminology in place before we start using those terms throughout the course. Then we're going to do a brief overview about the Spring ecosystem. So where all these pieces fit together, such as Spring Framework, Spring Boot, and Spring Security, which is what we're going to be using. Then in section 4, we're going to start covering what Spring Security actually is. We're going to first start off slow by adding Spring Security, then talk about all the various things that we can accomplish within our app within Spring Security with our base project. Then, before we go on after that to the other sections, we're going to go to section 5, which is going to be Spring Security, looking at the different testing facilities and capabilities within Spring Security to do different types of testing of your app in a security context. Then after that, we're going to start looking at how we can customize the authentication process. There's several mechanisms we can employ, and we will try several of them to show you all of the options. Then after that, we're going to start pushing our authentication and authorization capabilities to a relational database using JDBC to be able to access both authentication and authorization details. Then, to top it off, after that, we're going to go and convert all of our JDBC to a JPA, Java Persistence API, to actually access our authentication and authorization details. And then at the end of 8, we're actually going to convert from JPA to actually using a Mongo document database for the same thing, for our authentication and authorization details.